This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom duplex built in 2018 with an open floor plan and a huge finished basement. Located just minutes from downtown Fredericksburg, I-95, Route 1, and the VRE, this location is perfect for the commuter or someone who wants to be a short drive away from the city. Nest doorbell and security system. Upstairs has a spacious family room that has potential for many uses. Kitchen features an island with plenty of cooking space, updated appliances, and concrete countertops. Formal dining room and living room off of kitchen makes for a great family environment or place to entertain. Spacious master bedroom with more than enough room for a sitting area. Master bedroom includes 2 walk-in closets, 1 in the bedroom and 1 in the master bathroom. Master bathroom has a separate tub and shower with tile backsplashes and a built-in seat in the shower, and 2 counters and